What does irritated skin really mean for you? Is it the discomfort that keeps you from sleeping well, the redness you try to cover with makeup, or simply the feeling that you don't quite look like yourself in the mirror? Now, imagine that irritation is right on your face after a cosmetic procedure, too much sun, or just a long, exhausting day. Your skin feels tight, dry, maybe even inflamed. You want relief. You want your glow back. We all love the idea of self-care. Spa days, glowing skin, a little time just for ourselves. But let's be honest, most real self-care doesn't happen at the spa. It happens late at night, after work, after dinner, after everyone else in the house is finally asleep. That's when you finally get a quiet moment to breathe, to unwind, and maybe, if you're lucky, to take care of your skin. Sometimes that skin just feels tired, dry, tight, a little dull, and sometimes you're dealing with irritation after a cosmetic procedure like microneedling or laser resurfacing. For many women, the fear of that post-treatment inflammation is enough to stop them from doing it at all. That's why I was so excited when I found a product that feels indulgent, is easy to use, and genuinely helps skin recover, whether it's just from a long day or from something more intensive. It's called the Peptide Aqua Gel Mask by Clinical Resolution CRL, and it has quickly become one of my favorite skincare discoveries. What sets this mask apart? First, the experience. It's a soothing jelly-like mask that melts gently into your skin. Yes, melts. It delivers deep hydration and healing without mess, effort, or irritation. It's packed with hyaluronic acid for intense moisture, several rejuvenating peptides to support your skin's natural repair process, and a blend of plant-based extracts known for their calming antioxidant properties. This mask isn't just for pampering, it's actually used by professionals after in-office procedures to speed up recovery and reduce redness. It calms, hydrates, and restores, and I've seen amazing results in both myself and my patients. Whether your skin is stressed, dry, or just in need of some midweek TLC, this mask helps you wake up looking refreshed, radiant, and renewed. And unlike many masks that just sit on the surface, this one delivers real skin-deep benefits in one effortless step. Although my store focuses on products that heal from the inside out, this mask was too good not to include. I use it. I recommend it to my patients, and now I'm recommending it to you because taking care of your skin should feel as good as it looks. You can find the Peptide Aqua Gel Mask by Clinical Resolution CRL in my online shop. Link in the description. If you've been looking for that one skincare product that actually makes a difference, leave a comment or share this with a friend who needs a little glow up. Because sometimes one small moment of care is all it takes to bring back your shine.